Hi guys, so today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create videos of yourself with dialogues, with music, and everything that you need to do if you want to go ahead and create your own dialogue-based cinematic movie type scenes like that includes you. And you can also create, music videos as well with the help of AI tools. So yeah, it's a very simple process. So yeah, stick around to this video. And without further ado, let's just jump right into it. All right, so first of all, you're going to go to ChatGPT and you're going to type over here a simple prompt. So yeah, this is what I said to ChatGPT in a very narrative way. I basically just, like did text to speech to ChatGPT and I said, provide me a cinematic prompt for text to image generation. It would be like, cinematic scenes, maybe movie type kind of scenes, in character reference. So, zoomed in characters. Background would be a bokeh and would be cinematic background. And I have told like half body shot of a character. And then ChatGPT provided me with the prompts. So that would be cinematic like movie type prompts. Okay. And then I have all of the prompts. And then I said to ChatGPT again, like, character would be male and he would be just, you can say, around 20 to 25 years because obviously that's my age. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So now I have again the prompt of, first of all, I have City Rain, The Thinker, Golden Hour Dreamer, Urban Rebel, and all of these sample prompts. So yeah, now I'm gonna go ahead and try this one by one. And before we start, I want to show you the images that I'm going to go ahead and use reference of. So this would be my image that I'll be using, and I'm going to create characters with the help of this image. So yeah, keep that image in mind because this would be the character that I'll be using. That I'll be creating amazing cinematic movie type videos of you guys. Okay. All right. So first of all, I'm going to go ahead and take my any prompt from here. So let's just say I take this prompt. I'm going to copy this prompt, and then I'm going to go to AI image generator. And for that, I'm going to go ahead and use FlexClip AI image generator because you guys know this is one of my favorite AI image generator as well as video generator. So I'm going to go ahead and just copy paste my prompt right over here. And for the style, I'm going to go ahead and choose cinematic. Model will be ultra. Ratio would be 16:9 because obviously these are cinematic scenes. And let's just generate this. All right, so for that, FlexClip provided me with this generation. So this was the first one and this is the second one. And you guys can see this looks really, really good and very much you can say HD high detail. And from that, I'm going to go ahead and simply download this. All right, so once our image is downloaded, so what is our next step? We need to go ahead and, do a bit of a face swap. We need to input our image into the face of this particular AI generated image. So for that, we're going to go ahead and use DZine AI because this provides you one of the best face swaps out there you can get out of any AI image generator or any AI tool. So yeah, we're going to go to the homepage of DZine AI and I'm going to scroll down till I see the option of face swap. I'm going to click on that. And over here, I simply need to go ahead and just drag and drop my image right over here into our canvas. And then I'm going to click on this change face option. I'm going to click on that. And over here, I need to input my image, which was this image of my own face. And then click on redetect faces. So this is going to go ahead and redetect the face that's already there in, our initial image. And after that, simply need to go ahead and click on generate. So yeah, it's going to take around a bit of a time, just 30 to 40 seconds to generate your face swap image. All right, so once it's done, here is our four face swap results that it came out with. And out of all that, I think I'm very much liking the second one. I'm going to simply go ahead and download this through this download button. All right, so once it's downloaded, so now comes our video step. So for that, we're going to go ahead and use Google VEO 3. I'm going to go to the official website labs.google. And over here, I need to go ahead and select my option from text to video to frames to video because obviously we are doing image to video. And I'm going to click on this plus button and click on upload image. And I'm going to upload my recent image that I just downloaded from DZine AI. Click on crop and save. All right, so once our image is downloaded, so now comes our next part. We need to go ahead and generate a prompt for image to video generation. We have to input like what kind of dialogue we're looking for, or either it's a music video or just a film scene. So for that, I'm going to go ahead and go to ChatGPT once again, and I'm going to say to ChatGPT in a very, frank way that, provide me Google VEO 3 prompts for cinematic image to video generation. I've already provided a cinematic image of a hero character and will be a one-line dialogue in the prompt as well as provide me prompt like there'll be one line prompt and it would be Google VEO 3 prompt. Okay, so generate me prompt for image to video generation. And then I'm going to go ahead and simply provide my prompt for text to image generation. And I'm going to say, now you provide me the complete Google VEO3 prompt for this particular image, right? So for that, I'm going to go ahead and copy the text to image prompt, come to Google VEO3, paste it right over here, and simply click on enter. And then you guys can see ChatGPT is like, here is your prompt written in a full cinematic Google VEO3 image to video format. And now we have our prompt that we can input in our Google VEO3 along with the image, right? I'm going to simply copy this, come to Google VEO3, paste it right over here. So in that, we have our dialogue: in a world full of noise, I became the echo that doesn't fade. So let's just go ahead and click on generate. So yeah, Google VEO3 is going to take around just a couple of minutes, you can say, to generate our generations. So once it's done, I'll show you guys. All right, so once it's done, here is our generation. Take a look at this, you guys, one by one.
In a world full of noise, I became the echo that doesn't fade.
All right, so here's our first generation. Looks really, really good. I really much like, how detailed the VEO3 has provided this, and the face is really consistent. It actually looks like this is my own video. And here's the second one.
In a world full of noise, I became the echo that doesn't fade.
So yeah, this is more like kind of a singing type of video. Yeah, this looks really, really good as well. And similarly, I went ahead and generated some of my more generations. So I really want you guys to see all of these.
Funny how the rain hides the tears, but not the truth. Funny how the rain hides the tears, but not the truth. I used to run from silence, now it's the only thing that understands me. I used to run from silence, now it's the only thing that understands me. They told me to blend in, so I became the wall they couldn't ignore. They told me to blend in, so I became the wall they couldn't ignore.
So yeah, there you have it, guys. This was the easiest method. You can go ahead and create videos of yourself. No more complex, generations. No more training your model, doing consistent corrector. You can simply generate an image, put your face swap, and it's gonna look a lot like you. And you don't have to do some, like a lot of difficult stuff to generate your videos of yourself. So yeah. I really hope you like this video, and if you do, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more future videos just like these, and I'll see you on the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.